I'm in Cupertino, California with the brand new iPhone 15. Here's everything that you need to know, which by the way, if you're new to the channel, you should probably subscribe. We're gonna be covering the entire event. All right, so here's the new iPhone 15. There's so much to talk about. First of all, the new design. It's got this texture and matte finish, which just feels really good on the hand, and which, by the way, this is the pink color. Yes, you clearly see it right there. The new dynamic island is now on the iPhone 15, so it's not exclusive to Pro model. So you can get your flight info directly from the dynamic island just like that, or you can have maybe, let's say, your music on the dynamic island, which is cool. Yes, you see that? Lightning is gone. Say hello to USB-C on the iPhone, so you'll now be able to charge your iPad, your AirPods, your iPhone at the same time directly on your phone. Something that's cool as well is they can actually charge your AirPods directly now with the iPhone. We also get some really cool features with the cameras. You know, the standard iPhone only comes with a wide and with an ultra wide camera, but now with the iPhone 15, so you can see, we now get a x2. It's actually doing this optically with the wide camera, which is amazing. So we now get x5, x1, and x2. This is something awesome as well. So you now get portrait images on all images. So as you can see, this one's not actually a photo taken with portrait mode, but we now get different portrait settings. So if you actually want to add some depth to an image, once again, this doesn't have to be shot on portrait mode. So any photos are now portrait mode, which is sick. The iPhone 14 had a peak brightness of 1600 of brightness. iPhone 15 will now have 2000 nits of brightness, so you can see it's actually getting bright as well. Here's a closer look on all the new colors for the iPhone 15. It's crazy that this one right here feels like a 15 Pro, but it's just a standard phone. The matte black really reminds me of the iPhone 15, the 14 Pro, sorry. That's the green right there. That's a new yellow, which I love. They're really pastel, and the pink one is probably my favorite, and I can imagine why this one is gonna be so extremely popular. Thank you so much for watching. That's the iPhone 15. If you want to know what's new with the iPhone 15 Pro or with the Apple Watch Series 9, you can tap these right here. Subscribe to the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.